This is a 1973 Datsun 240Z, just restored here by us at California Datsun. And today I'm going to go over all the features of this beauty, what we did, how we did it, and what options this particular client chose. Alright, so let's start here in the engine. This is actually a L28 engine, brand new, when you could still get those back from Nissan. L28 280Z engine with triple Weber carburetors, Cannon manifold, nice header, Champion cooling system on the radiator. Of course, it's a California car, so it's got air conditioning, good looking engine bay. Stepping back a little bit, we'll take a look at this paint job. This paint is a Lexus Pearl Red Metallic. Beautiful color. Shines great in the brighter daylight. It's getting to be twilight now, so during the height of the day, it's really, really nice. Okay, into the interior. Full leather package with the double stitch in the same red, which is a nice complement to the exterior of the car. It's got Mercedes carpet. All of the plastics are also leather wrapped, so that looks really sharp. We got our beautiful 6x9 speaker box back here with a custom Z logo that matches the ones in the headrest. Got a nice armrest with some cup holders in it. Fully leather wrapped center console, which is very, very nice. 73's got the illuminated instrument panel. It's got the LED lights behind the gauges. Beautifully restored steering wheel. Look at those custom door panels with the polished aluminum inserts. What a nice touch there. Brand new dashboard. Interior is great. Look at that custom headliner up there too. That matches all of the interior. On to some of the features of the outside here. We got the rear disc brake conversion by Willwood. That's our 4-piston setup from California Datsun with an integrated e-brake. Beautiful deep dish Roto wheels on some Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Can't get enough of the shine here. Also, Willwood brakes obviously up front, larger 4-piston calipers, some custom slotted and drilled and vented rotors, same deep dish wheels. Got some LED side marker lights, beautiful LED headlights as well. Nice front air dam. Love the way those European bumpers look. So we are really proud of this one. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Again, this is California Datsun. My name is Al Allen, and I am the owner here. If you would like to have your car restored, I would encourage you to call me. Let's talk about what your vision is for your car. Maybe it's something like this. Maybe you've got something else in mind, maybe a more stock vision. But if you're looking for a 240Z, 260Z, 280Z to be restored, we are the professionals, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching.